My video guide will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to remove the online scary alerts coming from the site protectandscan.com. protectandscan.com. This website may periodically display its multiple pop-up ads through your browser. These pop-ups display pretty scary alerts mentioning that your computer is in danger because you have visited illegal infected website. Your PC is at risk of being infected by viruses. But this is a totally fake alert. It is not related to any decent software. In fact, these pop-ups are displayed by the certain adware that could be now enabled in your computer. Also, these pop-ups try to make you click on the Allow button in order to display even greater number of their scary messages, so you should not click on that Allow button. And do not interact with all these fake alerts, of course. In case the Allow button was clicked by mistake, you may start facing even greater multitude of advertisements on your screen. So to remove them, access the menu, go to Settings, choose Security and Privacy, then click on Site Settings, find Permissions, choose Notifications. Pay attention to the websites allowed to send notifications and delete all these malicious sites that you might find here on the list. So when you find this protectandscan.com, remove this malicious resource from the list. And you should also delete other junk sites of the similar nature. To make sure that your computer is free of any other threats, I recommend that you scan it additionally with a Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the program, and then begin carefully checking your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.